Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to split a workout in Strava. So the Strava platform or the Strava app, you can use it even from your phones. Actually I'm using it right now on my laptop. So what you're going to do right here is to go into training, and right then I want you just to go into my activity. Alright, activities, and on this section of my activities you should have several activities right here if you use this platform, of course. So it shouldn't be zero activities like I have or like it's being with me. So once you find the activity that you want to split, you will just click on it and then you will split it with using a thing, and that thing is right here. I went into this Strava support right here because I don't have any activities right here, just to show you how you can do that. So it says on the Strava website, navigate to the activities that you'd like to split. So right here you will have the activities, you just need to navigate to them, and once you find that activity you just need to click on it to get in, and after that you need to click the ellipsis and choose split. So where you will find it, let's consider this is my activity, it's right here. So the ellipses will be right here. It's like 3 points. You just need to click on them and then you will go into split, and yeah. So after that, choose to split your activity into 2 or 3 pieces. So you have the option to split it into 2 or 3 as a maximum, and the activity will be automatically divided into equal portions based on time. You can always go back and split part of, yeah. So this is it. You can every time you want to split activity, you can split it whenever you want. So it says also drag the orange lines to the exact locations where you would like to divide the activity. Hover over the performance graph to see your distance time. This is as an additional informations. So what you have to do is to look for the activity that you want to split. Just click on it and go into the ellipses right here. It's 3 points. Click on them and then click on split, and it will be splitted by your choice, even in 2 or in 3. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.